Hello, it's Sue Whale here from the Interflora Floristry Trade Club. Join me while I show you how to make this simple yet effective orchid corsage. Like, comment and subscribe for more floristry tips and inspiration. To make my orchid buttonhole, the first thing I do, I have to choose my orchid head, and I'm going to choose this one. I've picked from lower down the stem, so I haven't left a gap at the top of the bloom. Chop that off, and now I'm going to wire this. I'm just going to cut the stem down a little bit. I'm going to take green wire, and I'm going to push the green wire carefully up through the stem till it reaches the flower head. Cut that down. Then that gives me my control, and then I'm going to take a silver wire. I'm just going to push that through one side of the stem to the other and pull that down, and that means that the flower head can't be pulled off this wire. And this is quite sappy, quite wet, so I'm going to just get a tape just so it hides the wires and you can't see them. And that's my wired orchid head. Then I'm going to wire up some foliage. I've got some ivy leaves here, I've got some Hypericum, I've got a little bit of Eucalyptus. I'm just going to show you how I wired the Eucalyptus. I used again silver wire, and I made what's called a single leg mount. So I'm just folding the wire, so I'm making a hairpin at the top of the wire, holding it against the stem, taking the tape and just taping it round to hide the wire. You don't have to tape all the way down to the bottom of the wire. Again, to wire the Hypericum berries, I make my single leg mount with my silver wire, wrap it around a couple of times, and then tape it. And finally, I'm going to wire a few ivy leaves to go around the outside. Now, when you're wiring a leaf like an ivy, turn it over so you can see the back, take your silver wire, make a little stitch just about a quarter or a third of the way up through the main vein in the back of the leaf. Make a little hairpin, twist it around a couple of times. You only need to do it a couple of times, you don't have to go all the way down the stem. So you twist it around the stem a couple of times, and then you tape it to make it nice and neat and tidy. It helps if you get all your wiring done before you start, and it also helps if you group it together so you can see what you've got. So I'll take my flower, and I'll take my 2 stems of Eucalyptus, which I'm going to have at the back, and I'm going to group those 2 together for more impact. I'm going to use the Hypericum berries, which I've chosen to match the colour of the throat of the orchid, and these are going to be at the base. And then I am going to add in my ivy leaf. I said this is just a very, very simple orchid corsage. So I add my ivy leaves, and if you feel you're going to drop everything, then just run a little bit of tape around to keep everything secure. Like that. And then I'll add in the rest of my ivy leaves. So the ivy leaves are just making a little collar, and then I'll tape everything together. And this time I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to keep taping around the wires, and then I'm going to cut them an angle so that the point tapers off. That last one. And then because everything's wired, I can then just finish off a little bit of manipulation just to make sure that everything is where I want it to be. And then you have a very simple orchid corsage. Like, comment and subscribe for more floristry tips and inspiration.